All right, so I have been getting tons of comments in my videos about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra right here, specifically when it comes to battery life. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and in this video, I just kind of want to give you guys a quick update on what battery life has been like for me here on the S25 Ultra, because like I just mentioned, I have had tons of comments, specifically about battery life on this device right here, and a lot of those comments are not really positive. Just a lot of people saying that battery life really hasn't been good. They're not really able to get through a full day with the S25 Ultra right here. A lot of people calling the battery trash on this device. So like I said, in this video, I just want to give you guys an update on what battery life has been like for me. Has it gotten worse? Has it gotten better? And to be completely honest with you guys, it's kind of stayed the same. I wouldn't really say it's gotten better. I would have expected it to get a little better since, receiving this device, but it hasn't. It's kind of stayed the same. I will say that on some days, it does seem like it's a little bit worse, but then it gets better again and, goes back to the way it was. And I figured today would be the perfect day to give you guys an update, because today I was actually able to do a full test on one charge. And the reason I say that is because my charging with this device right here, it's just kind of been all over the place just because of my schedule. Sometimes when I go to bed at night, I forget to throw it on the charger and charge it overnight. So when I wake up in the morning, I charge it for a little bit, but then I gotta leave, so I'll take it off the charger. It's not at 100% battery life. I charge it up just enough so I can leave the house, do what I gotta do. I come back, charge it up some more, that way it can get me through the rest of the day. And yeah, my charging has just been kind of all over the place lately, but last night I did remember to throw it on the charger, so I was able to charge it all throughout the night. Got up this morning maybe about 6, a little past 6 a.m. this morning, and it's been off the charger since then. And the time right now is currently 10:50 p.m. Not sure if you can see that there on camera, but the time is now 10:50 p.m. I am down to 5% battery life. So I'll go ahead and throw it up on screen here, just taking a look at my usage here. My usage hasn't been anything crazy today. As you can see, I haven't done tons of 4K video recording. I haven't done tons of gaming or anything like that. But as you can see, this has just been my, normal usage for the day. Nothing too crazy. And so far right now, I am at exactly 8 hours of screen on time right now. What you're seeing on screen, it'll probably be a little bit more. I'm sure this 5% can get me a little bit later, but it definitely got me through the entire day. Like I said, took it off the charger around 6 a.m. this morning, maybe a little bit after 6. It is now 10:50 p.m. So it definitely got me through the most important part of the day, but I'm definitely not going to get, any much later than right now, because I'm still going to continue using this phone tonight, probably for the next couple of hours, because as soon as I'm done with this video, I will be editing the video here on this device, and I will also be editing the thumbnail here on this device. So I definitely have to give it some juice before doing any of that, because I doubt this 5% is going to be able to handle all of that, 4K video editing for me and thumbnail editing as well. But like I said, 8 hours of screen on time, and the amount of time that I had it off of the charger throughout today, it's still pretty good. It's an all-day device. It's still an all-day device. It's getting me 2 days of usage. No, with my current usage right now, the way I use this device, it's not getting me, 2 days. But for some people it might. It's really gonna come down to how you use your device. If you're someone who's just, reading on your device all day, if you're not doing any gaming, if you're not using, the cameras, majorly with a bunch of 4K video recording or even 8K video recording, if you're not taking pictures all day or anything like that, then this phone will get you, more than a day. But if you are someone who's doing, lots of gaming, lots of, social media, surfing on the internet, just, doing tons of stuff on your S25 Ultra, then yeah, it will shorten up that time that you are able to use the device. But just, as a quick update here, when it comes to battery life, I wouldn't exactly say it's trash. It's definitely not the best. And I even said this in my review video for the S25 Ultra right here. It's not the best battery life that I've ever experienced on a smartphone. For me right now, that has to go to the OnePlus 13. But for me personally, it's still an all-day device. It's pretty good. It's not the best, but it's still pretty good. I wouldn't exactly call it trash. And I know for a lot of people, a lot of you aren't getting the same kind of battery life as me, or battery performance. And I'm not really sure why, to be honest. Maybe there's a batch of devices out there to where the battery is not as good as other devices. I'm really not sure, to be honest with you guys, because I have been getting that question, well, how come I'm only getting this amount of screen on time, but you're getting this much? I can't answer that question for you. I really don't know. I don't know what your usage is like. And if battery life is really, really that bad for you, then there is a possibility that you can turn it in, through warranty and just have them send you out a new one. Or who knows, maybe they'll just replace the battery in your existing device. That way you have a better battery than, the one that came with the phone. But I mean, as for me, when it comes to battery life, like I said, battery has just kind of remained the same. It hasn't gotten better, hasn't really gotten super worse or anything like that. I'm still able to get through my entire day without having to worry about throwing it on the charger midday, unless, like I said, I forget to charge it overnight or something like that. And then I'll just give it a little bit of juice here, take it off, go do what I gotta do, come back, give it some more juice, and take it off and go do what I gotta do. But overall, I mean, it's still an all-day device. And like I said, this is just based off of my own personal usage. And I mean, I am using, that always on display. I do have the 120 hertz turned on. I do have it at full resolution. I usually keep the brightness at around maybe 80% to 100%. I'm usually around that area, unless of course I'm filming a video like this and shooting B-roll. I will turn the brightness down so it doesn't look overblown on camera, but that's probably the only time I turn the brightness down. Or if I'm in a dark room, like for instance, if I want to lay down in bed at night, I turn the lights off, then that's when I will turn the brightness down just so it's not super bright in my face. That's pretty much what my display settings are like. So yeah, just a quick update on what battery life has been for you guys. Like I said, I just wanted to make this quick video because like I said, I have been seeing tons of comments here on the channel just talking about how bad battery life has been for a lot of people. So if this is the case, hopefully with an update, Samsung will be able to improve battery life for a lot of people. But I don't know, we're just gonna have to wait and see whenever the next update does come. Hopefully there will be some improvements to battery life so we can get further, throughout the day than what we have been. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below, even though I already know what a lot of you are probably gonna say because of what you've said in the past. Let me know anyways, as of right now of watching this video, if you have an S25 Ultra for yourself, how is battery life for you? Is it better than mine? Is it worse than mine? It is about the same as me. Like I said, 8 hours of screen on time for today. I'm about to throw it on the charger right as soon as I'm done, as soon as I press stop on recording this video. But again, leave your comments down in the comment sections below or any questions. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.